Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to build channel history on YouTube. Let's get started. If you're inside your YouTube studio, go to Settings on the bottom left, then click on Channel, and after that, select Feature Eligibility. On the third tab, you'll see Advanced Features. You might already have standard and intermediate features enabled, but the advanced features may still appear grayed out and only show eligible. This usually happens because one important requirement is missing, and that is your channel history. When you hover over it, it says, "Follow our community guidelines to build channel history." For most creators, this usually takes up to 2 months. To build this history, here's what you need to do. According to the official YouTube help page, it says, build channel history or verify with ID or video. To build and maintain channel history, your account needs regular activity. This includes uploading videos, doing live streams, and engaging with your audience. So, the best thing you can do is simply keep uploading. Even if your channel is brand new, whether it's a week old or a month old, and you still don't see access to advanced features, just continue posting content. If you're a streamer, keep live streaming. Engage with your viewers, reply to comments, interact with your community, and if you already have access to community posts, you can also post updates there. Just maintain normal activity and keep your channel active. That is the main requirement. Keep creating, keep uploading, and keep an eye on your YouTube analytics. Once you continue being active, your channel history will automatically build up, and then you'll get access to advanced features. YouTube says it may take up to 2 months, but it can sometimes be faster, maybe a month, or even less in some cases. YouTube also mentions that some personal data from your Google account matters as well. Things like when your account was created and how often it's been used. For example, if your YouTube account is only a week old, you may not get channel history immediately. Also, if you upload only once every 6 months, YouTube won't consider that enough activity to build proper channel history. It also depends on how you use Google services and whether you follow all guidelines. So to summarize, keep uploading videos, keep live streaming if you can, engage with your audience, reply to comments, post community updates, and continue using your YouTube account actively. And of course, always follow YouTube's community guidelines while doing this. Once your channel history is built, you'll get access to all the advanced features shown in the list. That's pretty much it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.